fans are shocked by how Mkoka the case ended. And when I say fans, I mean myself. Look, I won't lie and say I'm okay with the end of Mkoka. As a result, I've decided to make this one last video about the show and review the last episode. So do stay tuned if you're interested. But before going to the video, I want to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. No, ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving this whole episode to Sibonile Ngubane. You know, throughout this show, people have been giving flowers to Deli Malinga, Name Ups, and Hope Mbele, but I think Sibonile Ngubane worked very hard on this project. I mean, I've seen him playing Kataza on Uzalo. Yes, he killed the role. Also Mbovu on Isibaya, which is where I started noticing his acting. But guys, what he did on Mkoka was amazing. His emotional scenes were so convincing. He played that Tifa character so well that I don't even think people will ever stop calling him Tifa. It won't matter which role he plays next, he'll remain Tifa forever now. So I've watched this scene several times where he arrived in his room where Mam Zobe had hung herself. His reaction was so convincing. Guys, I'm even running out of words. This guy really nailed this role for me. You know, I've noticed that many people were happy with how the show ended. Well, I didn't understand why Mabu's had to die. The only person who wanted to sit down was Mam Zobe. In fact, Bengizoluma naleyo TV if the show ended with Mam Zobe alive. I even boycotted the show after Manzimane proposed peace between her and Mam Zobe. I thought the show was going to end with Mam Zobe and the comedians reconciling, you know, the happily ever after kind of vibe. But I came back again when I learned that the show ended with Mam Zobe dying. As for Mabusi, it made no sense to me. At the same time, I'm happy that the Rhythm World writers managed to trick us like that. It's said that we probably will never see any show produced by the Rhythm World ever again on our screens, since we all know that they have problems with SARS. So it's sad to see such talented team going down the drain. I felt like they had more to offer and I loved how creative they were. Also, the characters of Mkoka the Case. I'm keen to learn what the future looks like for actors of Mkoka the Case. You know, I want to see which actor will get which role on these new shows. I know that Name Ups has already secured himself a role on the new Mzansi telenovela called Genesis that will premiere late March. I also wonder if the lady who played Kabisile will be able to secure another role for herself. You know, people have been complaining about her acting skills, stating that her acting lacks something. Well, I don't want to comment on that one, but I would really love to see her on another show. I really believe that she needs a role that is different from Ukabisile. Maybe she could convince more viewers that she can act and that they've judged her prematurely. You know, I can't even hear myself at the moment. I have said a lot, but I think what I'm trying to say is that I want Ukabisile to get another chance. That is all. And as I've mentioned, I think I have said a lot. As a result, I'm running out of things to say. So I think it's better to just drop this video right here and ask you guys to comment there in the comment section. Share your thoughts about Mkoka the Case's last episode. Also, if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.